Good morning, guys. It's KTO. What's up, you guys? It's HTO. What's up, you guys? Let's go Ducks for one. What you guys been up to? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So we're just getting some extensions. So I just dropped Rachel off at mom and dad's place. So that's what's going on. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Right now, you guys, we are just picking up the wine bottle labels. So that's what we are doing right now. So talk to you guys when we get them done. The tuna calzone, you guys. I just added some corn to it to make it good. And so right now, you guys, we are planting some blueberries and blueberries, strawberries, tomatoes, raspberries, and peppers. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna grow, you guys. Now, you guys, we are gonna watch a circle. Right?
Yeah, man.
It's gonna be
Guess
awesome.
what, guys? Because Gareth doesn't want me to show his chest hair. I'm joking. Anyway, so today I went to go get my hair done. And then I'm also eating chips. Bits and Bites, not sponsored. Wish. They can sponsor us. Anyway. And I got like a color slightly darker than it actually is. That okay? Is your shoulder okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And I couldn't get them my hair colored, or my hair done today, because I needed to get it colored first. So I'm gonna be freaking there all day tomorrow, which I'm excited for. I'm down with that. My hairdresser's cool. But yeah, we're gonna watch The Circle. I think you said that, but I'm gonna say it too.
I'm getting to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to Bits and Bites.
Subscribe to Bits and Bites.
Yeah, they're taking over this channel now.
Good job.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys!